tutorial. First off, you'll need a text editing program such as TextEdit. Dashcode's also great, and if you have a PC, Notepad should work fine. Alright, launch the application. If you're using TextEdit, you want to go to Preferences, make sure the format is set to rich text, and if you go to the Open and Save tab, you want to have the first two checked. Alright, then just go File, Save, and you can name it whatever you want, and I'll just keep it at Untitled. Click Save, exit out of it, then go over to the file, double click it, it should show up blank. Alright, go over the file again, right click, open with TextEdit, and you see all this stuff that wasn't here before. Alright, just delete all of it, everything, every single bit, and you're going to start by adding a button. So we'll call it input type equals parentheses, or sorry, quotation, button, then on capital C and click equals quotation. You're gonna give it a name, or you're gonna give the action it does a name. So I'll just call it alert, or I'll call it pop-up, and then you can do open, close parentheses, then close those quotes. Then you're gonna add a value, and this is what it's gonna say on your button. So value equal click me, and then just close it all off. Alright, so let's save that, double click it, it should open up in Safari, and you have a little button. It does nothing at all. Alright, so now we're going to add a whole new line. In this, we're going to do script type equals text slash JavaScript. And that's just saying that we'll be typing JavaScript. Type enter about 4 times, then do slash script, close it, and then in the middle, you're going to type function space the name of the function you gave it. So I named it pop-up, and then open braces, press enter like 3 or 4 times, close it off. Then in the middle, just type alert, open parentheses, open, and then quote. I'll just type hello, because that's going to be your message inside of it. Alright, then save that, go over, double click it, should open up, do click me, and here you go, you got your pop-up. Alright, just click OK, and it closes. Alright, so that's your pop-up. Now let's take it a bit further. Let's do a prompt. Now prompt's going to be pretty similar, except for it's going, other than just saying a message, it'll have an input box for them to put something into, or type something into. So all you have to do here is just change a few things. Actually, just one thing. Change that alert text right here in the function, change that to prompt. Do Command S, go over, double click it, go to the button, click me, and you got a little prompt here. Let's click cancel, because you can't do anything with it yet. Alright, so now that whatever that person typed in that box is nothing, it becomes nothing, it's never saved, nothing. So let's save it as like a variable. If you know algebra, it's just gonna be a variable. So at the top underneath the script type, press enter a few more times and do var. You're gonna give it a name, so I'm gonna call it input. Var input equals, and then you're gonna give it a value. And you can none. Alright, var input none. I'll just call it that. Alright, I'm gonna change this back to an alert, and instead of alerting hello, I'm gonna change it to alert input without the quotations. And that what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull the variable that I put up here and alert it. So I'm gonna do Command S, double click this, opens up, click me, and it shows the text that I put in. Just click OK, close this. Alright, so let's make something very simple, like have whatever the person puts into the prompt pop up an alert. So let's get rid of that variable that we stated. And then we're going to change that back to prompt. Then go right before prompt, you're going to type in var, the name of your variable, input, equals prompt, and then type in a message. I'll just call it type text below. Alright? Don't forget the quotations. Alright? And then we'll have an alert after that. So just type in alert. Alert, and then we'll have it alert the input. Command S. Open it up. Click on the button. Type text below. Alright. I'm going to type hello. Click OK. And then it'll say what you typed. Alright. Let's take that a bit further. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add quotation, quotation, then in between those two quotations, write you typed space, then after the quotations, add a plus sign. Then save that, open it up, click the button. We'll do just random text, click OK, and it'll say you typed that text you typed, which is really cool. Oops. Alright, now you've got that done, you can do a lot more. And I'm gonna show you something I did a while back using basically the same exact code. Just go to Epic apps.zzl.org/crazy, and then it'll say some stuff. Hello, I'm Dr. Fackett. How may I help you? You could say, hi, I am a dead person. Click OK. And he'll just kind of restate it. What do you mean, hi, I'm a dead person? Just click cancel on that. And it'll kind of get stuck there. Alright, so that's basically it for this tutorial. I'll come back later with some more. And I will post the whole finished code of this in the description.